Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add an expense in Expensify. It's very easy, but follow closely. Here we are at our inbox or in our dashboard of Expensify, and how to add the expense. Obviously, inbox is no good for us. We have to go to expenses. Here you have no expenses, drag a receipt onto this page or create a new expense during the button above. And the button above is this one. Little green thingy, we have to click on it and then manually create, scan a receipt, create multiple or time. Then distance, manually create or create from a map. Let's go with manually create and let's go with merchant name. Let's go restaurant date. Okay, you can track a lot of currencies. Let's go with 50. Reimbursable category. Let's go with, I don't know, other attendees. You, and also you can add your friends. That's what I'm actually missing. And then description, business meal, and the report automatic. Here you can drag the receipt if you have one, but there's no documents, distance, time, and also you can make it multiple. It's all in there, but yeah, you can go with expenses and save it. And at the moment, there is only me without a receipt, and it's a business meal. Also, we can scan the receipt and create a multiple ones if we want to. With the distance, you can go with a miles. Hopefully we can change it in different videos because we are using kilometers. But let's go with 100 miles. Rate, default rate. It was the date. Amount 62.50. Okay. It was a car one, and also we can save it up. They are dividing miles by 0.625 euros per mile. So it's 62.50. Easy math. And also you can create it from the map. Let's go with Ružomberok, for example, or use current location. Yeah, okay, whatever. And B can be, for example, I don't know why I can't really use this one. Ay. Okay, whatever. And then you hit the save button. For some reason, I can't really navigate through the map. But yeah, you can most definitely do it manually. So this is how you create expenses. In next video, I'm gonna show you how you can add more people, so this makes more sense. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.